tournament display this year. I didn't know they had them. You know, Ironton is the first little town that ever had a Memorial Day parade.
Really?
That's why we're on the map. It is. This town here is the first town that had a Memorial Day parade. And they let you know that too. Try to keep us on the map, I guess. I call it Holy City. Oh, that's a big boom. Everywhere you go, there's big potholes in the damn street.
Yeah.
And we pay all the taxes. Look at these churches. They pay taxes. There's no churches and banks in this town. I said, what the hell all these banks are doing in this town? There ain't no work. They used to call this town Governor Chicago. There used to be a lot of money laundering, you know, from the
Yeah, and I heard there used to be like a casino down where Big K used to be.
It was. They used to have a place down here on Railroad Street when you went by it. Bernie Smith, the rest of it, back this way. Well, this guy named Ducky Carter owned him. I was about 8 years old, 9. Used to ride bicycle all over town, and he asked me what I wanted to stop. I said, yeah. I said, all I want you to do is take care of the orders. You know, when it's time for them to eat, they'll call the order in, you just go pick your money up, go pick your food up. I've done that all summer, and he'd give me $900 in the summer. I'd do it for him every summer, you know, when I was a kid. This is a wild little town years ago. There used to be 30 bars in this town. 30 bars. You guys want nobody messing with. You got on the wrong side, you just disappeared. Yeah, he's gone. Got more people in this town that's unreal. After Ducky died, he got he died from running. Everybody rest. I know that. That's why back in that.
Pretty.
My mom called me up. She said, come down and talk to me. I said, okay. And I got out there. About myself out. What's going on? You've been on the news and everything. I said, yeah. You think I can do this? And I told her everything. That's why I did. Mentioned a few things. I don't give it a good time. She said, you know what you're doing when you got into this? If you do that shit, you ain't up in my head. That was my mom. That was one too. I said, Mom, I don't want to do that. I'm just telling you, you want to know everything I'm telling you. If you don't mention them names, you look at them. It's the time now. I said, I always think of the picture. It was always saying this. That family, you had to go back. Bring the things to the information tank and sneak it in. I don't know what kind of trouble he got. I know every day he come to jail when I was in there. I spit on him, threw my food at him, everything. Damn, that's a big one.
Yeah. They're making some noise.
Hey,
one more.
My mom told you that. She said, I'll disown you, son. You go down there and mention the name of anybody, you're disowned. I said, honey, I ain't gonna do that. I said, I know what it's all about. If you want to know everything, so I'm telling you. She said, fuck anonymous. That's what she said. She said, if she's fucking around, she said, I'll have him killed. That's what my mom said. I believe you. Because I ain't gonna just kill nobody over a pound of corn. And the guy was selling him pills for it. I thought they was amphetamines, if you weren't. They just caffeine. 6 months later, they passed a law that was federal high if you sell bare aspirin for amphetamines. That's what they charge you for. I said, boy, I lucked out there. 6 months later, I went on to the penitentiary. So I've been lucky. I just spent some time in the county. And there I got to say that now. What's your name? I said, crazy.